Welcome to our comparison of the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti and the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti graphics cards. Today, we will explore the specifications, features, and performance of these two powerful GPUs. The RTX 5070 Ti is designed for enthusiasts seeking extreme performance, while the RTX 5060 Ti offers a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much power. Let's dive into the details and see which card is the right fit for you. The MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti is built on the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and boasts a significant performance advantage over the RTX 5060 Ti. With a boost clock speed of 2,497 MHz and a 256-bit memory interface, it delivers exceptional gaming experiences and handles demanding applications with ease. In contrast, the RTX 5060 Ti, while still offering good performance, has a narrower 128-bit memory interface and a boost clock that is yet to be announced. This makes the RTX 5070 Ti the superior choice for gamers looking for the best performance. When it comes to pricing, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti is priced at $924 United States dollars, making it a premium option for those seeking top-tier performance. On the other hand, the RTX 5060 Ti is available for $554 United States dollars, offering a more budget-friendly alternative for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. This price difference is an important factor to consider when making your decision. Both graphics cards feature advanced cooling solutions, but there are notable differences. The RTX 5070 Ti is equipped with the TORX Fan 5.0, which provides superior airflow and cooling efficiency, ensuring optimal thermal management during intense gaming sessions. In comparison, the RTX 5060 Ti utilizes the TORX Fan 4.0, which, while effective, does not match the cooling capabilities of its higher-end counterpart. This difference could impact performance during prolonged use, making cooling an essential consideration. In conclusion, both the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti and the RTX 5060 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The 5070 Ti offers superior performance and advanced cooling, making it ideal for serious gamers, while the 5060 Ti provides a more affordable option for those who still want great performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and gaming needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.